This is a motorcycle carburetor float bowl. We're going to use it to redesign a gasket that has been discontinued for many years. First, we'll use a 3D scanner to capture the complete geometry of the float bowl. We'll capture accurate 3D data from the physical part, then move on to reverse engineering. Next, we'll use Quick Surface to turn the scan data into a manufacturable design. The design is complete. Now it's time to bring it to life.